Festival powered by Union Bank of India.
Hello and welcome to Kala Ghoda Arts Festival. You're in the film section. What usually happens here is a long conversation, an unplanned conversation, impromptu conversation with a filmmaker and the cast sometimes of a film in focus. This is right after the screening of a film. The film is still playing in people's minds. That's exactly what we're going to do with Vikas Khanna, the director, with the lead actor, Neena Gupta, except this is a virtual edition. And therefore, I have a request to make to the audience. If they could watch the film, The Last Color, which is the film in focus on Amazon Prime Video, and then get onto this chat. And if you've already watched it, then we're going to play a trailer and then start the chat with Vikas Khanna and Neena Gupta. Here's the trailer.
मेरे दादाजी मुझे पहली बार घाट पे लेके आए। उस दिन में भी अंधेरा हो गया। एक छोटे से चांद ने इतने बड़े सूरज को ग्रहण लगा दिया। सूरज तो रोज ही जीतता है, चांद का भी तो दिन आता है ना।
चलो निकलो यहाँ से।
बड़े दरोगा बने फिर तो पैंट तो संभाल जाती, बनारस को संभालोगे।
चलो निकलो।
सर, मैं तुझे कभी नहीं छोड़ूंगा। चल झूठा, गंगा माँ कसम। नहीं नहीं, आप कुछ भी कीजिए, इस बार हम आप पे रंग लगा कर ही रहेंगे। ये हमारा आपसे वादा है।
ना छोटी, अब हम रंग नहीं खेल सकते।
छोटी अनारकली।
What a beautiful lyrical piece of work. Neena Gupta, lead actor, Vikas Khanna, filmmaker. Welcome to Kala Ghoda Arts Festival. I told you right before starting this conversation because this is an arts festival, and what a beautiful artistic film to discuss on this occasion. Is there a piece of art around you where you are? Because you're in New York, Neena ji, I'm presuming you're in Bombay. Is there a piece of art around you that you would first want to discuss before we get on with your film?
Well, behind me, as you can see, there is a painting by Lalita Lajmi. Her daughter Kalpana
Kalpana ji,
was
yes.
no more. Yeah, she was a filmmaker. She was a very good friend of mine,
Right.
and this was my first. Like, I'm not into buying art and all, but I fell so much in love with it that for me it was like big money at that time. So I bought this, and since then this is the only big piece of art in my house actually.
How much
Painting
is it
wise,
worth, Neena ji?
अभी तो मुझे पता नहीं, अभी तो बहुत वर्थ होगा। मैंने तो 1 लाख रुपए में ली थी।
किस साल ली थी?
Must be 10 years back.
हाँ, so maybe like 10 lakh to hoga.
हाँ,
But
I'm sure.
that's only the monetary worth. Of course, this means far more as a piece of art. Looks lovely, Neena ji. That's a woman that's who's pointing at a particular
There are
direction.
two women. I don't know whether you can see
I
the
can't see the other
other.
side. Yeah, now I
It's,
can.
it's,
It's a massive, massive canvas. That is true.
yeah,
Beautiful.
yeah, that's it. Because in Bombay now, because of the moisture, it's getting a little ruined, you know.
Right.
So I talked to her, Lalita ji, and she said she will come and do something to it. That's also a problem,
Lovely,
keeping
lovely.
art
Vikas,
safe, you know.
that's true. Right. विकास कुछ आप निकालें, तवा हुआ कुछ निकालें आप।
मेरा एक्चुअली मेरी हर चीज ही घर में आर्ट है. Even the lamps, most of the things are nothing is from this century, literally.
Oh,
But
wow.
one thing which is very close to my heart, which I keep very closely, is
Beautiful.
I treasure these things. This is amazing. It's no people can't make this anymore. This is without. I don't know if people have this kind of thing about obsession about this, but many of my work which I collect is without any joint, which means
Oh,
this is
okay.
highest form of artistry. So when they were molding the sheets, they were so intelligent in mathematics and in art that they could mold the sheet into a perfect round, like a urn or something. So a lot of Americans who come to my house, they're always in awe of so much of stuff. I collect so much stuff, then I send it to my museum. But people get stuck by this mathematic genius and metallurgy of India.
You, of course, have a museum in Manipal which collects stuff to do with food. Am I right, Vikas?
Yeah, we have almost than 10,000, more than 10,000
Wow.
utensils.
Wow. And
इधर
which
मेरे
century?
न्यूयॉर्क में मेरे न्यूयॉर्क में दो तीन सौ बर्तन तो यहीं पे भी होगा मेरे घर में.
200-300 बर्तन. अच्छा, ये बर्तन जो है, ये वेसल, ये किस सेंचुरी का है?
उसने मेरे को बोला था 18th century beginning का होगा, because we did the carbon dating on this. उसने कहा 18 beginning का
Right.
होगा.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
It's,
I mean,
it's amazing. Some of the glass pieces have survived. Some of the glass pieces I have, if you'll see, you'll be shocked. They have survived.
right. I
Imagine
think
how many years this.
what's really interesting also about your art is actually true for you as people, both Ninaji and Vikas. One is into vessels, the other one is into a canvas right behind you. They couldn't be more different in terms of also sensibilities in a certain way, but also both of you couldn't have been from more two different worlds. I mean, Nina Gupta, veteran actor, over generations, over decades. Vikas Khanna, top chef, master chef, a person of food. Obvious question, how did you guys meet in the first place? When is the first time both of you अब टकराए कब पहली बार?
विकास आप बताओ, मैं बहुत बार बता चुकी हूँ.
मैं भी बहुत बार
I
बता
like
चुका
to hear your version.
हूँ. हम लोग फ्लाइट में थे और दोनों बॉम्बे से दिल्ली जा रहे थे. तो फ्रंट रोड में थे दोनों, एंड आई रीच्ड आउट टू नीना जी एंड सेड, मेरे दादाजी आपके बहुत बड़े फैन थे. My grandfather, because on that generation they only wrote Urdu and they only spoke Urdu. तो उनके लिए मिर्ज़ा गालिब टीवी पे आना बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट थी, और उस टाइम की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. एंड दैट्स द ओनली थिंग ही एवर वॉच्ड, एंड mostly because of Neena ji. And it says, "Ek kudi de muh te na noor bada," and that word stuck in my head. Like every time Neena ji will be on the in the frame, and he'll be like, "Eta noor bada muh te." Matlab ऐसे ना चंगी पैदाइश ना कार वाले. Like he always felt she gives very good vibes, which is very rare because he listened to news because everybody did, and then he only watched Mirza Ghalib on repeat mode, like literally all in the. And he constantly talked about her, and it stuck in my mind. When I met Neena ji, I told her about said my grandfather was a big fan, and this was the only thing he ever watched in his life. And he actually gifted me a book on the ghazals of Mirza Ghalib, which I can't read Urdu. Besides Alaf Vepe, what he tried to teach me, I don't know how to read. And that book also became a part of the movie screenplay. That became, when Neena ji said, yes, we must insert the book also now. तो नीना जी को मैंने
In fact,
बात की, तो नीना जी
Noor is also Neena ji's character in your film.
हाँ जी.
And clearly that's not a coincidence.
My grandfather gave the name, so I kept it.
Right.
And because when even if you see Neena ji's face in every frame, there is light. I don't know what happened to her in Varanasi. Everybody said, "इनका चेहरा चमकता, आप तो makeup ही नहीं करने देते." And she was not doing makeup, no hair, nothing. I would let anybody touch her, but she was glowing with the light of Varanasi. It was amazing, actually.
Neena ji, what's with you and the flights? If I'm not mistaken, if I read it right, you even met your husband on a flight.
Yes.
You actually met your husband on a flight.
Yeah, I have a very close friend Kamini. Also, I met in the flight. है कुछ flight और मेरा चक्कर है कुछ.
मतलब आप बैठती हैं और लेफ्ट राइट देखने लगती हैं क्या होने वाला है. Most people fall out to sleep.
I can't sleep. I'm not an easy sleeper. But yeah, it's a funny thing. There's so many incidents. Yeah.
पर उनकी मूवी
Uh,
कब आई थी थ्रेशोल्ड व्हिच आई एब्सोल्युटली लव
right.
and I said Neena ji we must get this movie to New York and then we introduced some people and she won the best actress award in New York because of that movie.
Right.
So that's
the
how
reason
me
I
and
want to cite you
Vikas.
for that.
That's how me and Vikas kept on in touch, na? Because he told them to put my movie. He introduced them to my movie Threshold after meeting me in the plane, and that's how we. But then we lost touch after some time, na?
मैं
So,
मूवी
I
लिख
mean,
रहा था नीना जी आपके पास ऐसे कैसे आता मैं बिना प्रॉपर मूवी के.
but उस समय आपने कुछ नहीं कहा कि मैं मूवी लिख रहा हूँ और मैं चाहूंगा कि आप नूर प्ले करें. I don't think you. I mean, you had the book that
No,
before
no,
and
no.
any.
I had written a
No.
novel then. These
Right.
novels got changed
Right.
into screenplay much later.
Okay. No, the reason why I'm asking you, Vikas, also is the fact that I mean, it's not that hard now in 2020 to make a movie. Technically, you can. You don't need raw stock. It's not so expensive also to ship equipment and stuff like that, as it was the case, say, 30 years ago, right? So you could have made a film on your own, but if there was no Nina Gupta in it, it would not have got that stamp of credibility. Suddenly it becomes a film that the mainstream audiences will gravitate towards, because otherwise we know you as the master chef. In fact, the first time I heard of The Last Color, I was wondering, is he the same guy? Like, because the correlation between the two is not so strong. Most people don't think of chefs who would become filmmakers. In fact, you're probably the only one I know, or we know. So, how did that casting take place? I know that you've thanked Anupam Kher in the first slate of the film. Did Anupam Kher have something to do with it?
जी मिस्टर खेर को मैंने पूछा कि नीना जी को अप्रोच कैसे करूं मैं, तो उन्होंने कहा देख
हाँ.
नीना ना बहुत इंट्यूटिव है, शी इज एन इमोशनल एक्टर, शी डजंट नो, शी डजंट कैलकुलेट, वो नहीं होता पर मैं अपने पहले बात करूंगी एजेंट्स के साथ, ही शी इज गोइंग टू डिसाइड इंस्टिंक्टिवली. दिस इज हाउ नीना वर्क्स. नीना इज नॉट समबडी हु इज गोइंग टू थिंक फॉर 1 मंथ, तेरे को लटका कर रखेगी, उसी टाइम बोल देगी, वो बिल्कुल मुंह पे बोल देगी कि अगर उनको पसंद आएगा रोल करना, अगर हाँ बोला तो कमिटमेंट पूरी है. तो मैंने कहा मिस्टर खेर कोई और टिप दो, मैं बात कैसे करूं उनके साथ, मतलब. So I was a little nervous, that I have so much of regard for her, and that post was always on my desktop, what she wrote about years ago about work, and मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्ट है अंदर से, and she knows it, and मैंने बहुत प्यार से मैसेज डाला इनको फ़ोन पे, मैं मैसेज डाला, मैं नीना जी ऐसे करके मेरी एक मूवी का आइडिया था, मैं मिलना चाहता हूँ. एंड मिस्टर खेर बिल्कुल इन्वॉल्व नहीं था उसमें, उसने कहा तू खुद आगे जा, खुद बात कर. तो उन्होंने कहा यू विल बी सरप्राइज दैट हाउ शी इज बीन वन ऑफ द एक्टर्स फॉर डेकेड्स हु हैज गिवन चांसेस टू फर्स्ट टाइमर्स. If you look at her history also, she's given a lot of risk of taking first timers roles. And she said मेरे घर आके मिल 10 बजे. She didn't know I was not in Delhi. I was in Varanasi. हम कहाँ से भटकते भुटकते पहुँच के घर के बाद 9:45 बजे पूरी तैयारी के साथ. And then I narrated her. And she was shooting Badai Ho, and she was doing night shoot. And that is why I could get half an hour window to speak to her in the morning. She was about to go to sleep.
Neena ji, I know that as Anupam Kher told Vikas about your reputation as someone who will work with a first timer, does that also cause, the greatest film, one of the greatest films of yours, or the one that you've been in, is Jaane Bhi Do Yaro, and that is by a first time filmmaker, Kundan Shah. And I'm sure you've had various films thereafter. You keep getting a lot of people knocking at your door for a character that they have, because you could say yes, and that would make that film legit even before release.
I don't know.
Do you?
I
Do you get a
don't
lot of
know.
people come up to you and say, because where you live, which is, I'm presuming a lot of it is in Bombay, everybody has a script. Absolutely everyone. You throw a stone, you'll find a script writer. I'm sure a lot of people come to you. And someone like Vikas, who is not from the field, you will be apprehensive कि यार सबको तो फिल्म बनानी है आजकल, कौन सी बड़ी बात है?
मैं ऐसा सोचती नहीं हूँ. अगर मुझे कोई स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी लगती है और मेरा रोल अच्छा लगता है, तो मैं हाँ कर देती हूँ। कुछ कई बार ऐसा भी हुआ है, मुझे बहुत दुख हुआ है हाँ करने का, क्योंकि कई बार वो फिल्म पूरी बनी नहीं, आधे में रुक गई। कई बार वो फिल्म किसी ने देखी नहीं। जैसे मैंने फिल्म की थी जिसके लिए मुझे नेशनल अवार्ड मिला था, बेस्ट सपोर्टिंग एक्ट्रेस, वो छोकरी। वो फिल्म किसी ने देखी नहीं, वो रिलीज ही हार्डली हुई शायद, पता नहीं, एनएफडीसी की फिल्म थी वो। सो तभी वो बहुत दुख होता है, क्योंकि आप काम किस लिए करते हैं, ताकि आपके आपके काम की प्रशंसा हो, ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग देखें। एंड if nobody sees it, then you feel very hurt and you feel very sad. So it has happened to me many times that but I only think at that time of the script and my role, so I say yes or no accordingly.
बट आपको कभी ऐसा लगा कि यार ये मे बी इसका कीड़ा होगा, ये फिल्में बनाना चाहता होगा, कितने लोग बनाना चाहते हैं, मे बी वन ऑफ दोज अगेन?
I'll give you an example of something which I'll never forget. Actually, I never look down upon anybody because today जब मैं आई थी तो किसी ने मुझे रोल नहीं दिया था सोच के ये क्या है, एनएसडी वाले क्या है, छोड़ो, ये भी तो होता है ना। पर मैं तो अच्छी थी, मुझे पता था। एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ। मेरा एक फ्रेंड है सतीश कौशिक, बहुत पुराना दोस्त है मेरा। जब वो एनएसडी में था तो मेरे से सीनियर है, तो वो एक किस्सा बताता है कि किसी ने, टीचर ने पूछा कि तुम क्या बनना चाहते हो, क्योंकि कोई डायरेक्टर, कोई आर्ट डायरेक्टर, कोई एक्टर, ऐसे सब प्रकार के लोग आते हैं एनएसडी में। तो उसने बोला मैं डायरेक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ सर। और वो पतला सा सुकड़ा सा ऐसा वो था, कोई पर्सनैलिटी ऐसी नहीं थी कि ये तो बनेगा, ये बनेगा, वो बनेगा। तो उसने कहा सर आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम अ डायरेक्टर। एक लड़की क्लास में हंस दी। शी इज अ नोन एक्टर, आई मीन अभी तो नहीं काम कर रही, मैं नाम नहीं लूंगी। वो हंस दी, वो उसको अभी तक लगा हुआ है, यू नो। तो किसी को छोटा नहीं बड़ा नहीं समझना चाहिए। यू डोंट नो किसके अंदर क्या गुण है। एक्चुअली हमें खुद नहीं पता होता हमारे अंदर क्या गुण है फॉर इयर्स। सो आई ऑल्सो ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर, वी नेवर थिंक कि हाँ ये इसकी शक्ल देखो, ये क्या पिक्चर बनाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है।
अरे फिल्म बनाने के लिए शक्ल की तो कोई खास जरूरत है नहीं, बट वो जो पतला लड़का था वो आगे जाके फिल्म उसने बनाई या नहीं?
सतीश कौशिक।
अच्छा, that was Satish Kaushik. Oh, आज
Yeah.
तक Satish Kaushik. Oh, I thought he was narrating a story and then. Ah,
No, he was.
right,
That was.
right. But I can't imagine Satish Kaushik being patla, so I didn't think of it mentally.
No, we were all very patla at that time. We were very young. So he can never forgive her for that. He always
Right.
remembers that.
Right. I mean, because I think it's a legit question. I'll tell you why. Because where we are seated, where Neena ji is, where I am, which is in Bombay, as I said, मतलब जूते घिस जाते हैं लोगों को यहाँ पे एक फिल्म बनाने में. You know, they go from person to person, years. You know, they keep, everybody has like multiple scripts. 10-15 तो सबके पास पड़े हैं. कभी बनती नहीं है, कभी थोड़ी बन जाती है, कभी बनते बनते रह जाती है. It's a tough field. You were entering a it's perhaps the toughest field outside of politics. You know, maybe tougher than I wouldn't know about a chef's job, and we'll get to that in a little bit. Was that easy for you? I mean, to put this together, it's you're already successful in what you do. What would drive you to try something like this?
So most of my team was totally against the idea. Everybody was against the idea. He's saying, why are you subjecting yourself to such criticism? Why? At the age of 50, you should think of retiring now. You know, chefs घिस जाते हैं, because working chefs तो बहुत जल्दी घिस जाते हैं. And TV chefs have more longevity. I have done everything right in that field, but I realized that I should take the risk, because when I reached out to some directors in Delhi and in Bombay, I told them that I want to get Naina ji signed up for this movie and this is the girl I'm looking at. I told everything. So everybody told me, ये story क्या बनी कि एक छोटी सी लड़की रस्सी पे चलती है, एक विधवा को बोलती है मैं होली खेलूंगी आपके साथ, और 1.5 घंटा वही बात चल रही है. So I said originality is the key in America. Americans bow to anything original. And to see the most of the Americans don't respond to art which is imitation, because plagiarism is possibly one of the biggest crimes here. So when we showed it to people here, they were going ecstatic. They were thinking, this is genius. Like, what a brilliant idea that a woman will inspire this untouchable child from the street, that you rise beyond anybody can touch you. And everybody was so inspired by the dialogues, most of the dialogues came from my grandmom when she would try to inspire me. So it was a very tough decision to put your name on it. I said, okay, let's be producers, because producers, you still get a little leverage to hide behind the, veil. There's a little curtain a producer can hide, a director can't hide. And in this case, I was a writer, director, cinematographer, and costume designer, and cleaner, and helper, everything. So
Incredible,
I was totally
incredible.
in line.
No, but it's also a very tough
You're right.
art form as a craft. I mean, were you self-learned? Did you or you were in New York? It has a lot of you could do a short film course. I'm sure there are people you could learn. How did you get
Nothing
into it
teaches
from a
you
craft
than
point
what
of
you
view?
learn on the. Nothing teaches you the way you learn on the set. And one thing, we also had a benefit, which a lot of people have been telling for weeks now after Amazon, that Nina Ji is actually the director of Sans.
Right.
People,
That's correct.
we have to recollect when I tell them. It was really helpful before we would shoot any scene. I would discuss with her. It really helped me sometimes. And Nina Ji actually removed a lot of dialogues from the movie. And she said, actually silence karte hain because a real pace ki movie hai. Isme silence rakhte hain. Let's do real time. And that is what actually helped us in such big film festival circuits in the Western world. When they saw the movie was real pace and we were no rush to finish the sequence ki jaldi khatam ho jaye sab kuch. Yes, self-taught, but people don't forget one thing, that I've made more than 9 documentaries. Most of them were food and religion, but I made more than 9 documentaries.
Right.
कीड़ा तो था, कीड़ा हो गया था.
Because I know nobody who is a chef, a professional chef,
I'm the
and a
only one in the
filmmaker,
world. You asked.
and the only
I'm
one
the
in the
only
world.
Yeah.
So,
And
chef,
only one in the world who actually won the Michelin star and also won these awards for making a movie. It's never happened before.
right. What is common between a chef's job and a filmmaker's job?
Discipline. Nina ji can vote for that how disciplined we were in the shoot. Most of the times, it's an outdoor. We have conditions of temperature, a little girl who's first time actor. We had things, but how much space we were trying to be organized, that within the shoot also we would get Nina ji time to nap, because this is how I was designing the schedules, that we want her to look tired and exhausted in life, but at the same time when there should be a little glow. So
No,
discipline
what
is
I'm also
everything.
that would be true for most other jobs. What I'm asking about, Vikas, is what would be true in terms of जो जाता है, ingredients जो जाती हैं, जिस तरह आप खाना बनाते हैं और जिस तरह आप फिल्म बनाते हैं. What is common from that level, from artistic point of view?
I'll quickly define not just a restaurant, a Michelin star winning restaurant and filmmaking.
Right.
First is the most important thing is a script, most important, which is the menu. Second is the set, right? The era you're creating in the movie. That's your restaurant's interiors, everything. You hire the front of the house, Nina ji and Aksa. You hire the back of the house, the entire crew of the movie. And now the moment you are ready to spin, that moment of action is when you actually get the dish fired in the kitchen. You got exactly limited time to get that dish to the table. And that is what Nina ji's job and Aksa's job was. And then after all those whole hanky-panky happening, all the madness, preparations, ordering, procure ingredients, that's all your sets, what you're doing. Last thing is that after the edit is the last taste of that guest's mouth, is that little taste which happens after all this effort.
Right. Perfect. That's precisely what I wanted to know. Nina ji, I'll tell you why. Maybe it even resonates with you because मैंने कहीं पे पढ़ा है, and correct me if I'm mistaken, एक्टर बनने से पहले आप बैगन भरता बनाती थी और आयरिश कॉफी बनाती थी जुहू पृथ्वी थिएटर के कैफे में, जो प्रहलाद कक्कड़ चलाते थे. इज दैट करेक्ट? आपका भी एक रिश्ता रहा है खाने के साथ?
नहीं, पर मेरा वो रिश्ता मजबूरी का रिश्ता था, पैसे नहीं होते थे तो भरता बनाती थी तो प्रहलाद कक्कड़ मुझे फ्री में खाना देता था. तो पर हाँ, खाने का शौक है, पर ऐसा कुछ खास रिश्ता नहीं है. बनाने का भी थोड़ा थोड़ा है, But ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं है.
Right. Coming back to the film, The Last Color, which the audience has watched, of course, and they've seen the trailer, so they'll watch even if they've not so far. One of the things that strikes us about the movie is how it's really set among the oppressed, right? So you have three main characters: a transgender, a street urchin who's an untouchable, and a widow. Now, these three characters, to a lot of people in a regular world, would be invisible because they might even be invisible for you. I mean, your personal connection with characters of this sort would be pretty hard to, and not sure whether you've lived among them. Was it hard to get that right, the tone right of those people, and why these people?
I've been working in widows ashrams for many years, since the
Right.
Holi, which in 2011 I've been working with them. Some
But
form
that
or the
wasn't
other, I'm always active.
because that was in Vrindavan, if I'm not mistaken. Was that in Vrindavan? Right.
Ji, Vrindavan. So, but my real calling came after my father passed away, and I went to Varanasi to hide. That is when all these characters came in my life. Like, I saw a girl, I was I was walking, and Kumbh ka Mela bhi khatam hi ho raha tha, and we had this little girl who was a tightrope walker, and I met her, and she was so courageous and brave and honest and like so daring. And she tells me that she's saving money to go to school because that's how she's going to teach police walas a lesson. That stuck in my head, and that really was like a real life character who came to me. And then Munna Didi is a transgender who lives on the ghat near Assi, and she is a caretaker of so many kids, especially girls who sell flowers in the evening on the ghats. And you see her all the time protecting them. I felt I was looking at a goddess, and those characters stuck in my mind. But in the novel, it's very multi-layered, because novel we wrote were like really crazy. And when we had to execute the whole thing, it was very difficult. Even Anarkali's house is called the Temple of Fireflies. So when Gangaji overflows during the monsoon season, there are drain pipes all over to get the excess water out. So she lives in a drain pipe for all the year when it's drought. And when it's time for the water, she gets no share. She has to leave her house. I did everything so poetically, and it was crazy. Or fireflies come during barsat ke mausam mein, and she has to leave her house because wahan jagah nahi rehne ki. So I went through all those lessons, and many people said this book is going to swipe away all the international awards. But the thing is that being a chef, it also reduces the value of a fiction book, which people did not accept it in the beginning. They think, "Kya book? Ye kya kahani likhega? Khana banata." So there was a strange, what Nina ji said about Satish ji, there was a big laughter throughout, but I was not giving up because I don't know how to do anything half-heartedly. I have to go fully into it.
Was it hard to shoot? I mean, the Banaras we see in the film is very sparse. Usually, the Banaras we see in the movies, and that is the Western Eye, and it's also a true representation. It's a packed place. It's full of life, even while it's surrounded by death. It's it's colorful, perhaps way too colorful. But what you've given it, of course, there's a lot of color. It's called The Last Color, but what you've given it is a very for lack of a better word, a very temperate quality. It's काफी शांत है ये बनारस. इसको शांत बनाने में काफी मुश्किल लगी होगी.
हीना जी, अभी तक लोगों को पता नहीं, हमने बनारस में शूट नहीं किया. हम लोगों ने बनारस के आगे, we used to take Nina ji in a boat to this place to shoot, and that boat ride was only 45 minutes. So we didn't shoot whether you see the tourist and everything, because we wanted to show her in total isolation. And we wanted to show the colors, the ghats, where the blue ghats and the green colors are so beautiful. So we wanted to see a woman in white. So that's a stark thing, that a colorless widow in the land of colors. So that line was stuck in my head. So my recce was so strong, Mayank, that people used to go crazy. जो वहाँ रहते हैं उन्होंने जगह नहीं देखी थी वो, because I think there's nothing like Varanasi to shoot a movie.
I mean, so the ghats are not real. Are you telling me that?
No.
Ghats are real, but
They are
we didn't
away
go to the
from
popular ghats.
the popular
Right.
tourist.
Right. नीरज जी,
We went to
आजकल जब हम
places जहाँ पे लोगों के पास कैमरा देखे they were in awe. So which was amazing for us, you know. They were like धोती बांध के आराम से बैठे हुए सब. That we wanted to create that atmosphere of loneliness for Neena ji.
राइट राइट नीरज जी, अब आजकल हम किसी भी एक्टर से बात करते हैं, कोई भी हो, एंड आई एम श्योर दैट यू नो दे वर्क रियली हार्ड एज दे शुड, बट वो बताते हैं कि 3 महीना प्रेप किया, 3.5 महीने हम वहां रहे, यहाँ रहे, उसके बाद हमने ये किरदार प्ले किया. एंड यू कम फ्रॉम अ जनरेशन दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट इंस्टिंक्ट. इज दैट द केस इवन नाउ जब आप कोई रोल परफॉर्म करती है, फॉर इंस्टेंस अ रोल लाइक दिस वन, जो लास्ट कलर में जो नूर का जो कैरेक्टर है, वो आपसे अगेन विल बी वेरी फर्दर अवे फ्रॉम यू एज अ पर्सन इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस. हाउ डिड यू गेट इनटू द रोल?
अब क्या है, मेरा तो धंधा ही यही है कि अलग अलग प्रकार के रोल करने हैं. अब मैं तो एक प्रकार की हूँ.
राइट.
मुझे बहुत कम जरूरत होती है सोचने की या उस प्रकार से वर्क करने की कि मैं अपनी आंख और के नाक और मैं कैसे बिहेव करूंगी. मुझे अगर विश्वास होता है किसी चीज पे जिसके लिए मैं हाँ करती हूँ, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर द लास्ट कलर, जैसे मैं लोकेशन पे पहुंचती थी और मैं वो सफेद धोती में आ जाती थी, घर से होटल से ही मैं सफेद धोती पहन के ही आती थी, और जैसे ही वो सब करा और घाट में आई, वैसे ही मैं अपने अंदर से चेंज हो जाती थी. कुछ होता है मेरे को ऐसा. मुझे कोई, जैसे अभी मैं कई बार सोचती हूँ अच्छा मैं ये कैरेक्टर कर रही हूँ, इसके जैसा कोई मैं जानती हूँ, कई बार सोचती हूँ, पर कई बार मिलते भी हैं, पर उससे कुछ अगर ले लिया तो ले लिया. बट यहाँ तो मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं सोचा, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो एनीबडी लाइक दैट. सो इट यूज्ड टू हैपन. आई थिंक it's the environment, it's the costume, it's the lines, it's the belief. So
Right.
it just happens to me, and I don't know. I don't know how it happens, but it happens. Because and especially this film, I was just, somebody was asking me, मैंने कहा ये मुझे भी नहीं विश्वास हो रहा मैंने कैसे कर लिया. कि मतलब I am a little, my body language is generally a little aggressive. I am not a very ठंडा person. And I have seen this film many times. The other day I was watching it on Amazon again, and I'm saying ये तो मेरी आवाज भी सॉफ्ट हो गई, शरीर भी सॉफ्ट हो गया, मतलब सब कुछ अलग हो गया. कैसे हो गया मुझे नहीं मालूम. विकास से पूछो कैसे हुआ, मुझे नहीं मालूम. मैं तो बस कर दिया.
Neena ji, I think sometimes she used to get very emotional when because the originality came from the dialogues. Nothing was पहले सुना हुआ हम लोगों ने. And you know, I remember practicing one dialogue with Neena ji, and I also started crying. Literally, I was like, Neena ji, आपको याद है वो dialogue? वो
कौन सा?
झूठ कहती हैं आप, झूठ कहती हैं कभी कुछ नहीं बदलेगा, कुत्ते हैं हम कुत्ते ही रहेंगे.
कुत्ते रहेंगे.
ऐसा नहीं कहते. तुम्हें मालूम है जब मैं छोटी थी ना, तो एक दिन मेरे दादाजी मुझे घाट पर लेके आए. Neena ji, when she said that dialogue, you know, my grandmom used to tell that dialogue to me because I was very useless child, and still quite useless, but बहुत ही useless था बचपन में. बड़ी पिटाई होती थी मेरी, बहुत वीक था. तो पूरे ने कहा था कि सूरज तो रोज ही जीतता है, चांद का दिन भी आता है, कोई ग्रहण नहीं भूलता. जिसने ग्रहण देखा कोई ग्रहण नहीं भूलता. कि एक छोटे सा चांद इतने बड़े सूरज को ग्रहण लगाता है. और फिर उसका एक डायलॉग का छोटी का उसके आगे, मैं तो छोटी हूँ, मैं चांद थोड़ी हूँ. तो फिर नीना जी ने वो लाइन इम्प्रोवाइज की थी, याद है ना?
नहीं मुझे
कि
नहीं.
दोनों हाथों की लकीर, दोनों हाथों की लकीरों को बन गया, दोनों हाथों की लकीरों को जोड़ के बन गया चांद. आज से आधा चांद मेरा और ये आधा चांद तुम्हारा.
अब
I
इसमें क्या
just love that dialogue.
अब इस डायलॉग को बोलने में कोई प्रिपरेशन नहीं हो सकती है.
पर ये तो आपने इम्प्रोवाइज किया है.
बहुत पॉजेस दिए हैं.
हाँ कभी
But
कभी
you know, ma'am,
कुछ
we cannot deny. You can't
Right.
deny the silences of the movie are very long. You remember when I was telling her शीशा देखना है और शीशा टूटा हुआ शीशा देखना है, बाहर से लाइट आएगी, धुआं आएगा और नलका चल रहा होगा इधर और आपको सिर्फ ये करना है. So you know, because I had to learn little Kathak because I knew I had to practice with her. We didn't have such a big crew. सो जब ये किया, कांटे किए और बिंदी की इस उंगली से, एंड देन शी हैड टू लुक डाउन एंड शी हैड टू लुक अप एंड स्माइल. Oh my God, she did it in one go. And गीले बाल थे, remember? Early morning. And light came exactly at the same time. Oh my God, what was happening? छोटा सा बाथरूम में पीछे कैमरे के खड़ा था मैं. I
Yeah.
remember.
Yeah.
And that's one of the most powerful scenes. There's no color in the scene, no saturation, nothing.
So these are the things which happened in the last color, and I think मुझे लगता है धीरे 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 जैसे अभी वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से लोग देख रहे हैं, और मुझे जो जो कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, आई कांट बिलीव. आई one woman sent a voice message which I have put on my Instagram after seeing.
Oh, it's
She was
beautiful.
crying and she was putting, Vikas, I sent it to you, na? Vikas?
Oh my God, I love it. I
And
love it.
so these kind of reactions are coming, and मुझे लगता है धीरे 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 लोगों को समझ आती जाएगी बहुत और बारीकियां जो पिक्चर में है.
Right. Neena ji,
It's a
you and
9 years of
Instagram.
work.
Yeah,
Sorry?
right. I mean, I said I was just getting to you, and I was just thinking about Instagram and you, and your relationship with Instagram in the first place, and how it completely changed your life too in a certain way. When in 2017 you put out an Instagram post कि भाई मुझे काम चाहिए. मतलब वो तो LinkedIn में करते हैं लोग, Instagram में usually नहीं करते कि पूछने के काम चाहिए. And your life has
That's
gone
Neela
to, I mean,
Gupta.
yeah, that's Neena Gupta for you. And I have to say this, and I'm sure everyone watching this conversation will agree. Never ask a woman her age, but the fact is, whether you're 50 or you're 60 or you're 40, you are certainly at the peak of your career right now. I mean, पूरी दुनिया का हालत खराब हो गई 2020 में, but 2020 was Neena Gupta's year. If you look at Panchayat, what a fabulous show. If audiences haven't seen it, they should. You had a theatrical release. Nobody had a theatrical release in 2020. You had Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan. You had Masaba Masaba, which is the entire series just set on you, which in fact should have been called Nina Nina, right? Although Masaba was amazing too. And then there's the Last Color. My question to you is, of course, Last Color में तो थोड़ा हम एक colored bias होगा, because that's what the conversation is right now. But उसको हटा दें. Which of these three are the closest to you as a series or as a film?
लास्ट कलर को क्यों हटा दिया पहले?
अब because वो तो मतलब वो तो आप कहेंगी, because हम Last Color ही डिस्कस कर रहे हैं.
गरीबों की पिक्चर है ना वो.
गरीबों की पिक्चर, हाँ गरीबों की पिक्चर नहीं.
मिशेलिन
actually
स्टार मिलियनेयर की पिक्चर है.
नहीं, मैं बताऊं, मैं बोल नहीं सकती, क्यों बताती हूँ. शुभ मंगल was an amazing script, is an amazing script. The sense of humor, and through humor what an important message दिया. अब वो बिल्कुल अलग. पंचायत, I was shocked and I got an award. पंचायत इस सीजन में मेरा काम बहुत कम था, मतलब मेरा शुरू के 3 एपिसोड में तो बहुत कम आती हूँ. पंचायत तो मुझे लगा गांव की कहानी है, कौन देखेगा. I was shocked at the reaction of Panchayat. So Panchayat was, but I am very lucky. This is what I want, an actor's dream, that you can do variety of roles. Shubh Mangal देख लो, Panchayat देख लो, फिर Masaba Masaba में I'm playing me, who's so different, and Last Color of course is totally different. So I cannot say कि this is better or that is better. I think I have been very lucky that in 1 year I got a chance to do
Right.
such a variety of roles, which is एक actress को कभी नहीं मिलता, actor को तो फिर भी मिल जाता है.
Amazing.
Actress को कभी
It's
नहीं मिलता.
amazing. But I love Panchayat. I don't know why.
See,
I
mean,
couldn't
हम
stop
लोगों को-
smiling when she was on the frame.
So see, we thought कि ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा बना है, बहुत मेहनती लोग हैं वो लोग, TVF वाले, और बहुत अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट थी और बहुत मेहनत से बनाते थे, धूप में 45 डिग्री में खड़े हो के सब कुछ. आई थॉट ठीक है, but I didn't know that हर प्रकार का इंसान उसको पसंद किया, हर प्रकार के इंसान ने.
Right,
I'm
absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, also the times we're going through, and जो भी आप कुछ भी जाएं, कहीं भी जाएं, किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म में जाएं, it's all violence, it's all darkness. When the world outside is so dark, and suddenly Panchayat comes and we feel good about life for once. मतलब कुछ तो
Yeah.
हो, स्क्रीन पर ही हो कम से कम, अगर दुनिया में नहीं हो रहा हो तो. थैंक यू फॉर दैट
हाँ,
पर्टिकुलर सीरीज, नीना जी.
देखो सादगी और इनोसेंस हमेशा लोगों को टच करेगी,
राइट, राइट.
हमेशा touch करेगी।
लास्ट कलर, विकास आपने उसको गरीबों का फिल्म बना दिया, विच इज सो नॉट ट्रू. ये तो आपकी फिल्म है, आप गरीब तो किसी भी एंगल से नहीं लग रहे मुझे. इनफैक्ट वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट आई फाइंड astounding about you, because besides the fact that you are an incredible chef, जो हमको कभी खाने का मौका नहीं मिलेगा, पर आपकी फिल्म को तो कम से कम देखने का मौका मिला, is the fact that everything is in terms of numbers is huge about you. कि आपने एक किताब लिखी है, मैंने सुना कि आपने किताब लिखी, उस पर आपने फिल्म बनाई, बट आपने 42 बुक्स लिखे. You have authored 42 books, which is an astounding number to begin with, right? Then reading up about you, I came across, and of course everyone knows, you were also a beacon of light during pandemic. कि यार आपने जो Feed India campaign किया, वहाँ पे, I mean, it's gone into some 50 lakh people who've been fed as a result. Take us through Feed India campaign, because because Panchayat was, according to me, Neena Gupta's contribution to pandemic, and Masaba also. Fun series that we needed that break. Your contribution was on the street with Feed India campaign. Just take us through where it is and where are you with the program right now.
So it all started from a spam email so most of the things are happening remote. All the restaurants, we have 2 new restaurants coming up this year. So I can't do things fast. I need to take time. I need to fully plan it. I can't do fast foods. I have to do that like level of, that what I want to represent India as. So those things are going on. Suddenly we get an email about a spam email saying that, there's, after this pandemic is going on, it's the beginning of the new month, which is April. And a lot of the orphanages and old age homes there'll be a lot of shortage of food. As a person, we look up to if you can donate. So, generally as an NRI, you click and you donate, right? But suddenly on the Zoom call, one of my marketing girls, she's saying, oh my God, that picture looks like she's seen it before. I said, no, this just came on an email. Somebody used that picture from 2011 or 12 something. And it was like, oh my God. So it was like a spam. But by that time, it was April 1st. I was already motivated that, I said, this is going to be a problem. And from small meals delivery, and boom, it suddenly became like the need of the hour. But I was developing infrastructure. This is not my house. My house is next block. But if you go to my house, abhi bhi main diwar pe maine utara nahi kagaz. मैं notes बना था. Every city was given a 4-digit code. How we computerized those codes. How we knew कि कौन सी city में कहाँ पे कौन सी जगह पे खाने की जरूरत है, कौन reliable है वहाँ पे, कौन चोर नहीं है. मैंने उनको rating दी लोगों को after working with them, because I didn't have the time to go back to the same person or same company again who were not good to me. So it was a tough choice, very tough. And I think once the New York Times did the cover story, which was I think May end, New York Times did the cover story, international and domestic. That is when this boom. We had so many international sponsors come on board, and we didn't have anything of financial contribution. We didn't take any money except for some people who are my own mama vagara and some friends. But rest, it was totally sponsor driven, brand driven, whole thing. Chalta raha, and then we slowly developed into that you need sanitary pads, I remember when we saw that the trains are going and the people are dying in the trains. The moment I saw that video, mom sent me on WhatsApp, and you wouldn't believe it, within 6 hours, we had 16 stations covered with food. 16 stations. 6 घंटे में New York में बैठे. But we were only giving fried puris and achar and ek kela. But that is what we could do at that speed. But because we were developing such a large infrastructure during those months, and I didn't do anything else for those 8 months. Neena ji knows, and she's like, "Bas karte hai ki thak jayega." मैं कहा नहीं थकूंगा. This is very important to my soul, because as a chef and somebody who got everything from that country, it hurts you when people don't have anything to eat. We are still doing some in small pockets. We hope that this year we will get some big people on board and we can have Feed India as a very permanent solution to some things. But it is really not easy getting this done. It is really difficult. And I'm not there physically, so it's even harder because I have to rely on so many people.
How many lives have you touched, Vikas, through Feed India so far? Roughly.
We have done 59 million meals. We don't know how many lives that would contain, but 59 million meals we crossed last week. Abhi, we have a big campaign going on right now in Kolkata and in Karnataka in 2 pockets, but small pockets. But that time it was very hurtful for us to see that there's no good news. We had failed as countries, as people, as systems. Everything had collapsed.
Right, right. Coming back to the last color, Nina ji, if I were to ask you from your memory of the film, what was the toughest thing about doing this film? This is where you can totally take on a director and say कितना दिमाग खराब किया इसने.
नहीं दिमाग नहीं, मैं तो एक बात बताना चाहती हूँ आपको। मैंने कुछ काफी दिन गुजारे हैं विकास के साथ, फिर हम लोग प्रीमियर पे वगैरह वगैरह भी काफी गुजारे। ये एक मैड बंदा है, पागल, जो ना खाता है ना सोता है। उससे कोई आप दूसरी बात नहीं कर सकते। इफ आई वुड सेंड हिम अ व्हाट्सएप मैसेज ऑफ नॉट रिलेटेड टू द वर्क बट मे बी समथिंग एल्स और व्हाटएवर, वो जवाब ही नहीं देता, वो सिर्फ काम करता है। तो व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड शूटिंग, तो उसकी मम्मी आई हुई थी बनारस में थोड़े दिन के लिए। शी वांटेड टू मीट मी एंड देन शी वाज सपोज्ड टू गो। आई टोल्ड हर मत जाओ, ये मर जाएगा बंदा यहाँ, बिकॉज ना खाएगा ना पिएगा, कुछ नहीं करेगा उसको। तो शी हैड टू पुश हिम कि ये खा ले। एंड शी सेज कि वो मतलब बहुत बड़ा शेफ है, उसको खाने का कुछ है ही नहीं। उसको अगर फंगस वाला खाना दे दो वो भी खा जाएगा, उसको पता नहीं चलेगा। ऐसा है वो। तो ये बंदा
अपने
mad
खाने
है।
के लिए मैं क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करता। अपने खाने के लिए मैं क्रिटिसाइज कभी नहीं करता।
अपने खाने के लिए कुछ भी दे दो। हाँ, सो दिस इज विच इज सो सरप्राइजिंग बिकॉज ही एक्चुअली, हम लोगों को जो ब्रेक होता था जब खाना खाते थे, बड़ा अच्छा कोई लोकल लेडी बनाती थी, इसको नहीं खाना, उसको काम 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 करना है। मैंने ऐसा बंदा कोई देखा नहीं है तो जो इतना टोटली मैड होए। और बस ये डिफिकल्ट। हाँ, दूसरा क्वेश्चन था मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग। कुछ भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं था,
नहीं,
बस पैर
दैट
जलते
लास्ट
थे।
सीन सीक्वेंस का मुश्किल था क्योंकि आपको बहुत वेट करना पड़ा था उसमें।
नहीं, मुझे वेट करना मुश्किल नहीं होता। मैंने पिक्चरों में, श्याम बेनेगल की पिक्चर मंडी में कुछ एक्टर्स ने 1-1 महीना लोकेशन पे वेट की थी। हमें वेट करने की आदत है। Pankaj Kapoor was there in Mandi because there are so many actors and Shyam
Right.
wanted everybody on the set. I think Pankaj or somebody waited for 1 month before they started shooting in Hyderabad. So I have no problem waiting. I am used to waiting. मुझे waiting का कोई problem नहीं है. Actually, they made me very comfortable. Can you imagine? They also gave me 40 minutes to go to my hotel and have a little nap. Because मेकअप तो था नहीं, वही धोती पहन के I used to slide in my bed और अलार्म लगा के उठ के straight, मुंह भी नहीं धोना, कुछ भी नहीं करना. So the only, I remember one place where I had problem, very small problem was कि पैर बहुत जल रहे थे, याद है? क्योंकि घाट
Oh
इतनी
my
गर्म
God.
हो जाती थी, क्योंकि हमने गर्मी में शूट की थी ना। तो और एक और शॉट था जो उससे लिया था ड्रोन से, जहाँ इन्होंने मेरे को अकेले बोट में बिठा के भेज दिया था और ड्रोन का शॉट था। और कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन देने वाला कुछ नहीं था और कड़कती धूप, ना तो छाता, कुछ ले नहीं सके। मैं बैठी हूँ, चलती जा रही है, बोट जल रही हूँ बिल्कुल। फिर बोट किनारे पे लगी, ये लोग तो बहुत दूर थे कहीं। फिर बोट किनारे पे लगी, फिर ऐसे ऊपर घाट चढ़ के एक मंदिर था, तो मुझे तो कट सुनाई ना दे। मैं समझू मैं क्या करूं। तो मैं उतरी बोट से नंगे पैर, गरम सीढ़ियों में चढ़ती गई। कोई कट ना बोले, कोई कुछ ना बोले। फिर वहां पे
मेरा गला फट गया था बोलते बोलते, बस करो।
I couldn't hear. So that टेम्पल में एक प्रीस्ट था, तो मैं उस पे पास जाके बैठ गई, अभी भी कोई कुछ ना बोले। So that was a long thing, and I was like burning everywhere, just burning. Otherwise, so they made me very comfortable, and there was no scene. The one scene where she throws color from the top was difficult for them, not as difficult for me.
It was
I won't tell
weeks
you.
and weeks. But you loved the location when you came here. You said, "Wow,
Yeah,
ये
yeah.
क्या location है? Climax scene की." But the thing is that most of the buildings are very old. And the
Right.
thing is that somebody came from Hyderabad. They called a full crew from Hyderabad for safety of the girl because she had to walk on the rope final scene mein. And Neena ji had to be coordinated exactly at the same time. और जब रंग गिरता है तो रंग तो slow गिर रहा है, ये तो आगे चल रहे हैं, तो we can't afford to miss it. और जब oh my god, it was so much of logistics and timing and everything, but
fell on me just correct. वो तो ये सब दैविक होते हैं, दैविक. This is not
no, humans
मनुष्य
can't do
के-
this.
ये दैविक होता है. But ऐसे ही बन गई पिक्चर.
But I must share one very funny incident. I must share one very funny incident. नीना जी को मैंने घर भेज दिया. मैं कहा नीना जी आप जाओ, क्योंकि we couldn't figure out the timing of that whole sequence. बहुत बड़ा वो large frame था. पीछे से नीना जी की body को आना, and the girl has to coordinate walking, and it's not easy. If you think about it, कि बड़े बड़े directors कहेंगे नहीं CG में कर लो. It's very difficult. एंड नीना जी को ने भेज दिया. तो हमने दूसरी लेडी के साथ प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे. तो हमने एक और लेडी थी, इनकी बॉडी डबल, हमने एक आंटी को कहा आंटी आप लेट जाओ. कहती ठीक है. तो लेट गए आंटी. तो हम चली जा रहे हैं. तो हमसे सीक्वेंस ही नहीं बन रही. इट वॉज आवर्स एंड आवर्स. तो मैंने आंटी वहाँ लेट जाओ नीचे. मैं कहा आंटी चाय पियोगे? आंटी इज एक्टिंग डेड. और वहीं पे एक मस्जिद थी और फ्राइडे था और वहाँ से अभी अजान का टाइम खत्म हुआ, लोग जा रहे हैं और हमने आंटी वहाँ उसके ऊपर लाश बन के सोए. तो हम चाय पी रहे हैं. तो आंटी को मैंने पूछा, मैं आंटी चाय पी लो, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा इसमें. कहती नहीं बड़ा मजा आ रहा है, मैं यहाँ लेटी बड़ी कंफर्टेबल हूँ. मैं कहा ठीक है आप लेटे रहो. और 2-3 लोग आए, कहते आपको शर्म नहीं आती, आप आपकी माँ यहाँ मरी हुई, आप चाय पी रही हो. उतनी देर में आंटी खड़ी हो गई थी, मैं भी चाय पी लेती हूँ. फिर लाइक it was like, अब जब पीछे, and I could see her, she stood up. और वो मेरे से चिल्ला रहे हैं, आपको शर्म नहीं आती, अपनी माँ को सड़क पे छोड़ दिया और चाय पी के हंस रहे हो आप लोग. तो हम पीछे मुड़ के देखा तो आंटी चल के आ रहे थे. मैं भी चाय पी लेती हूँ, मैंने सोचा. Those guys just ran away. They were like, but it was a very tough sequence. It took us many days to plan.
For you guys, not for me. I didn't have to do much. But there was nothing very difficult as such.
I have to say, we could continue talking for hours, and the beauty of this conversation for me personally has been that I actually want to go back and watch The Last Color again in that context, in a lot of other contexts that have come out, and I hope, and I sincerely hope that the audience will do too. Neena Gupta, Vikas Khanna, been a pleasure. Thank you so much for this conversation at Kala Ghoda Arts Festival.
Thank you
Neena ji.
so much. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Vikas. Thank you,
Good
Mayank.
night. Bye. Good day.
Bye.
Good day. Bye.
Good night.
Good day. Good night.